Perfect. Okay, I'm doing it again. So what we are doing is, let me expand this also because I want to be able to see you all. You're able to
new words.
new.
दीप्ति, आप खुद को म्यूट कर लेंगे?
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yes,
good, I like it, Tripti. Tripti के जैसे बाकी सब भी अपने आप को म्यूट करके, if you want to try reading it, go ahead, read it. It's good. Everybody will learn.
I have read. I have read. So,
You've already read?
I have read.
Good job. All right. So क्या करने वाले हैं आज हम? Learn new words. And last time we talked about that we will try to get you all your own resume prepared. You know what resume means? Resume होता है biodata.
Continue with our story.
Yes, your story. Absolutely. तो मैं ये दिखाऊंगी कि how I have made my resume.
Learn words.
I'll give you some ideas. And then एक दिन बैठ के हम लोग लिख भी सकते हैं. If you all want to open your PowerPoint on your computer, then slowly we can work on it. हमने अपने आप को 3 months दिए हैं. हमारे पास कितना, अगर 3 months दिए और मई में क्लास शुरू है तो when do we complete? मई, जून, जुलाई. जुलाई एंड तक हमारा टारगेट होना चाहिए कि हम रेज्यूमे अपना खत्म कर लेंगे. दूसरी चीज एक और बोलना चाहती हूँ. Do you all, or actually let me ask this, do you all have LinkedIn profile? You know what LinkedIn profile is? Do you have your own LinkedIn जिसमें आपका resume या biodata होता है? Just like Facebook. You know Facebook क्या होता है? Have you seen Facebook, anybody? Yes? Instagram, Facebook, ऐसी चीजें हैं, right? Good.
Facebook देखे हैं मैम? हम देखे हैं.
साइबर बताओ कुछ Facebook के बारे में फिर. आपने क्या देखा है उसमें?
मैम फेसबुक में मैसेज भेजता है.
Yes, बिल्कुल. तो जैसे
फेसबुक में वो नेम होते हैं, नेम एंड वो साइड में कॉलम होते हैं और अपना वो फेसबुक
मैसेजेस होते हैं,
फोटो होती हैं, वीडियोस होते हैं.
वेरी गुड. जैसे फेसबुक होता है. No, she never. Okay, that's fine. We don't want her to use Facebook. We want her to use LinkedIn. हाँ. Good, Andrew.
My eyesight is very.
Friends बनाते हैं.
Friends बनाते हैं. Good.
Yes. View share करते हैं. View.
Perfect. तो व्यूज शेयर करते हैं. परफेक्ट. मुझे लगता है सबको पता है कि फेसबुक क्या है. एवरीबडी नोज व्हाट फेसबुक इज. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू, जस्ट लाइक फेसबुक इज फॉर आवर फ्रेंड्स, पर्सनल फ्रेंड्स, LinkedIn is for our professional network. What that means is we all want either have work or want to work, are looking for work, right? Everybody wants to be independent, everybody wants to work. Students have their job of studying, we adults have our job of working. तो उसके लिए हम LinkedIn पे अपना प्रोफेशनल नेटवर्क बनाते हैं. उसका क्या मतलब है? जो आपके जैसे आप अभी सब डेटा एंट्री के कोर्सेज कर रहे हो ना, तो ऑल योर डेटा एंट्री स्टूडेंट्स, योर टीचर्स, ऑल आर गोइंग टू बी ऑन LinkedIn. आप LinkedIn में उनको ऐड करोगे. Going forward, they might post an opening that there is a job opening, then we all will apply to that opening, right? So this is how we build our presence on LinkedIn networking site, which is for work essentially. ठीक है? सिर्फ काम के लिए ही primarily use किया जाता है. Primarily मतलब main use उसका वो होता है. तो हम उस पे भी काम करेंगे. And then last but not the least, हम जो last time story पढ़ रहे थे, we will pick that up. We'll continue from there. ओके. तो अब मैं 5 नए वर्ड्स बताने वाली हूँ और ये मैंने लिस्ट, व्हाट आई हैव पिक्ड इट अप इज ऑनलाइन. देयर इज अ स्कूल वेबसाइट. बाय ग्रेड दे गो ओवर लिस्ट. सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम वेरी लोअर ग्रेड so that we know some words might be, you know, old words, you've already heard about it, you already know the meaning, but we will move faster. और हाँ, मुझे ना सब अपने ईमेल आईडी दो, बिकॉज वट एवर वी विल डिस्कस हियर आई एम गोइंग टू सेंड इट टू एवरीवन. ठीक है? so that everybody has a copy of it. Make sense? WhatsApp पे मुझे मैसेज कर दो सबकी email. अनिरुद्ध आपकी ईमेल है, आशीष, साइबल, तृप्ति आपका ईमेल आईडी है?
हम है आईडी यस
नो मैम,
जीमेल पे
तृप्ति आज बनाओ, फिर ईमेल आईडी बनाओ, जीमेल पे बनाओ. डू यू नीड हेल्प? आई कैन
Mail.
हेल्प यू विद दैट. जिसका नहीं है वो मुझे बता दे, आई विल हेल्प
व्हाट्सएप
यू.
नंबर क्या है?
किसका नंबर?
व्हाट्सएप नंबर
नो
व्हाट्सएप
मैम
नंबर?
नहीं है.
यस
अच्छा, मैं आपको मैसेज करती हूँ यहाँ पे कि व्हाट्सएप नंबर क्या है.
यस
राखी मुझे
No,
कोड
ma'am.
देना पड़ेगा ना?
She has Gmail account, but she never uses it because she is very low vision and she can't read on computer or phone, etc.
Oh,
This
then yeah,
class is being made on iPad after enlarging all text.
I see, I see. So for Tripti, tell me one thing. I know I've discussed this
There
with
are practical
others.
problems with these.
No worries. We will figure out a way. But my question was more around, what do you think you want out of this class for Tripti? Because for other students, when I spoke to them, right, they said they want to learn English. Is it something similar for Tripti as well?
Pardon, ma'am?
What do you want out of this class for Tripti?
Pardon, ma'am?
Can you hear me?
क्या?
Acha, मेरा question है कि
Job.
what do you for Tripti? Acha, job at the
She
end you
had
want.
done job in
Uh-huh.
a daycare center.
Daycare center.
Okay, okay. So you want out of this class, you want to be able to get a job, right?
Oh, there is okay.
Okay.
She will do a job in a daycare center and she can teach students colors, birds name,
Name.
GK.
Counting. GK.
Okay. Okay. Good.
conversation
Good.
small, what is your name? She has done all this for 7 to 8 years.
Oh wow, very nice. Good. Good. All right. So yeah, that is our step, right? That we work on resume so that in order to find job outside, it will be easier. She can show that
Okay.
what she has done, and I'll talk about that also. That what are some of the minimum things that you need to put on resume. That will be the next thing. But let's focus on 5 words. Anybody wants to take a screenshot, feel free to do that, or share your email IDs with me. You can put it on the chat for Zoom also, then I'll pick it up from here and I will send the PowerPoint so that nobody misses it. Let's start with first one, annoy. Have you heard of this? Heard or no? Yes or no? I want everybody to use this language now.
Yes.
Yes, annoy.
Annoy.
किसी ने सुना है?
Annoy.
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 A-double-N.
Annoyed.
तुमने
Okay.
ये सुना है नहीं सुना?
सुन रखा है नहीं जब
Annoyed.
Annoy सुन रखा है नहीं सुन रखा है
मना
सुना
करना
है।
कह दो।
नहीं never.
नहीं. Never, ma'am.
होना
Okay, never.
गुस्सा
Cyber-
होना
Good,
गुस्सा होना
good. Anirudh, for you, have you heard?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके तो चलो, अनॉय का मतलब होता है किसी को इरिटेट करना या किसी को गुस्सा करना, या इन इंग्लिश आई विल से इरिटेट समवन, मेक समवन अ लिटिल एंग्री. हिंदी में परेशान करना, राइट? तो ये याद रहेगा, नहीं भी याद रहेगा, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. I will start using these words in our conversation so that you remember. हमारा जो दिमाग होता है उसमें क्या होता है, बार बार चीज रिपीट करने से it builds a muscle memory. That means you remember things. So I will use it, don't worry. I'll say, are you annoyed today? Are you a little angry today? I will use it in my sentences, okay? Attention. Attention क्या है? Notice taken of someone or something.
Attention.
Regard. Attention पता है ना?
ध्यान
सावधान.
देना.
सावधान, ध्यान. Yes, attention, ध्यान. चलो,
Yes.
ये तो easy है, ये सबको आता है. मैं ये तो फिर
लिसनिंग केयरफुली
listen carefully. बिल्कुल.
ध्यान आकर्षित करना.
बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड. अनिरुद्ध, आप भी कुछ बोल रहे थे?
ध्यान देना.
अपनी
ध्यान
तरफ
देना.
ध्यान आकर्षित.
वेरी गुड, चलो ये तो इजी है, फिर हम ये नहीं करते हैं. हाउ अबाउट calm? Calm means not showing or any feeling of nervousness, anger or strong emotions. तो हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं?
काम का दम ये रहा
शांति.
शांत.
हम कहते हैं ना शांत रहो, stay
Not
calm.
that.
Have you heard this?
शांति.
कभी?
Yes.
हाँ,
शांत.
शांत रहो,
शांत.
शांति. Have you heard somebody say stay calm? इसका क्या
शांत.
मतलब? शांत रहो. You know, don't be angry, don't be nervous.
बोलती है.
हाँ जी, दोबारा बोलो अनिरुद्ध, loud and clear.
कूल डाउन.
मम्मी बोलती है.
मम्मी बोलती है. वेरी गुड. हाँ, एक्चुअली मैं भी बहुत बोलती हूँ. तो मैं भी मम्मी हूँ, मैं भी बहुत बोलती हूँ. स्टे काम मरिया, स्टे काम. कंफर्टेबल, फोर्थ वर्ड है हमारा कंफर्टेबल. क्या होता है कंफर्टेबल? आपने अभी यूज किया होगा, मम्मी मैं कंफर्टेबल नहीं हूँ, मम्मी मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा.
आरामदायक.
यस, आरामदायक. क्या मतलब है? कंफर्टेबल क्लोथिंग का हो सकता है, फर्निशिंग का हो
आरामदायक.
सकता है. करेक्ट,
Relax more.
करेक्ट.
Relax more. Relax more.
साइबल आपने क्या बोला? दोबारा बोलो.
Hey, relax more. Relax more. More.
रिलैक्स मोर. यस, यस. कंफर्टेबल, कंफर्ट में रहना, आराम से रहना. राइट. सिंपल हिंदी में हम इसको आरामदायक नहीं बोलते, सिंपल हिंदी में बोलते हैं हम आराम. कॉन्सिक्वेंसीज, ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग वर्ड है, क्योंकि हम बच्चों को हमेशा यही सिखाते हैं कि यू नो जो भी आप करोगे उसके कॉन्सिक्वेंसीज होते हैं. इसका क्या मतलब है? अ रिजल्ट और एन इफेक्ट ऑफ एन एक्शन और अ कंडीशन. व्हाटएवर एक्शन वी टेक,
रिजल्ट होता है.
रिजल्ट होता है. एब्सोल्युटली. परिणाम, जिसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं परिणाम. तो ऑल राइट, क्या क्या वर्ड था? अनॉय, अटेंशन, calm, comfortable, consequences. तो आज हमने 5 नए वर्ड किए. मैं आपको ये लिस्ट भेज दूंगी, इसको देखो, जब भी आपको टाइम मिले इसको देखो. ठीक है? And I'm going to keep adding on your vocabulary so that we work on it, and I'll keep using it. Very important
And
thing
ma'am,
that
one
we
more idea is you can send it on that group also. You can send it.
Sure, I'll take a
They can
screenshot
use
of this and I'll send it on the group.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. Perfect. Now, resume and LinkedIn, जिसके बारे में हमने बात किया था. Resume को another words कहते हैं bio data. Right? ठीक है. तो अब इसमें resume में क्या होता है? और अगर आप LinkedIn पे भी, if you're going to make your profile, what does it have? And I'll show you my LinkedIn profile today, okay? After we go through this, I'll show you my LinkedIn profile. And I don't know if you are all there, but whenever you create your LinkedIn account, I would highly suggest that you do that. Add me. I'll connect you to people in India or here who can help you get a job easily, right? I have about more than 1,000 connections I have, or maybe 2,000 connections. So let's use our connection. Let's build our network so that we all can get a job. Okay? Because at the end of the day, this is what I want. I want that 1 साल में या 6 महीने में आप सब independent वापस हो जाओ, right? Hopefully the COVID situation will also get better, but we will see if there is any online work that we can get you first. So इसीलिए let's work on resume and LinkedIn. Okay. On the resume, what we have is about yourself. I'll give you an example what I have on my resume. That's the reason I have it as an example. When you say about yourself, what is one thing that you want to focus on? Tripti, for you, your focus is going to be great with kids, extensive experience working with them, right? Or 8 years of experience working with students or kids of age this and this. So that's about yourself. For Anirudh and Saibal, what you are working on is, data entry. So you can say that experience with computers, proficient in typing, and you can put your typing speed also.
कंप्यूटर
डिप्लोमा किया है.
बोलो Tripti.
मैम कंप्यूटर टाइपिंग डिप्लोमा.
Awesome. तो वो पता है कहाँ जाएगा? वो कहाँ जाएगा? About yourself में ऐसी चीज बताओ जिस चीज में you want to work. ठीक है, बट जो आपने कहा कि आपने डिप्लोमा किया हुआ है, आपकी अदर एजुकेशन है, यू मस्ट बी ग्रेजुएट। बोलो तृप्ति, कुछ बोलना चाहते हो?
बताओ क्या करना चाहते हो?
कंप्यूटर में
नहीं, कुछ भी जीवन में क्या करना चाहते हो? जीवन में क्या करना चाहते हो?
जीवन में
मस्ती। She wants to do masti.
She wants to do masti. You don't have to answer that now. You can take your own sweet time, and you know we can build on your skill set gradually. You don't have to
जॉब तो
decide now.
मिल नहीं सकती, जॉब
अच्छा,
तो नहीं मिल सकती आईसाइट वीक के साथ।
क्यों नहीं, कुछ ना कुछ तो मिल सकता है। We will see. Never say never. अगर आप ड्रीम बिग करोगे ना, तो स्टार्स नहीं मिलेंगे या सन नहीं मिलेगा, तो कहीं तो मिडिल में तो पहुंचोगे। अपने पे विश्वास रखो।
डे केयर की
डे केयर है, कोई भी आप ऐसी जॉब कर सकते हो, जैसे आप कंप्यूटर पे बैठ के भी मुझसे बात कर रहे हो, राइट? यू कैन वर्क ऑन समथिंग वेयर यू डोंट हैव टू यूज eyes, you don't have to read anything, you just have to talk to people. You know, I'll give you an example. Call center होता है, उसमें you have to call people and you have to make, you know, them buy stuff. So you never know. You are good in communications, right?
मैम
You-
एक्सेल की वो भी शीट बनाई थी, एक्सेल की जिसमें सैलरी का होता है, उसमें माय एल्डर सिस्टर इज जॉब, तो उन्होंने बताई थी कौन कितना काम करता है, उसकी शीट बनाई थी, पर उसमें भी लगना पड़ता है सबका। सैलरी कितनी होती है?
सैलरी कितनी होती है, आप ये जानना चाहते हो उस वाले में?
She made Excel sheets for a salaried person, but
Oh,
she
I
could
see.
do it with only with help. Somebody
I
should
see.
be there to help her.
Yeah, but that also requires vision, right? And you mentioned that she does have that challenge. So I think something to do with audio or vocal she would be good at.
She did every work with the help.
Think about it, right? Think about it. What are your strengths? Because a lot of people, what we do is we focus on areas of improvement. For example, I am not good at coding. I cannot code on the computer. So I'm not using that as a skill. I'm using something else, which is communication is my skill set, is my strength. I'm using that. So think about what is your strength rather than thinking about what you can do. Because we are not going to improve on what you can do. What we're going to hone means sharpen, और तीखा करना, उसको improve करना और अच्छा होते जाना is on your strength. So think about it. This is for all of you. Ashish, Anirudh, Saibal, सबके लिए when you're working on your resume, right? Like I've given you an example. When you talk about yourself, you have to talk about what you're looking for in your next role or next job. So उसी की तरह से summarize करके बताओ what you're good at. My strength, as you can see, मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, I'm a program management professional with expertise in leading highly integrated solutions. It's little difficult to understand. मुझे भी नहीं आता था, to be honest, right? I'll be honest, when I was doing it, I had just started. I didn't know what that means, but now I know. So think about something that you like, you're good at, and you want to work on, right? Work on means get a job for that skill set. I think a lot of you are data entry and Tripti, for you, I think kuch call center ka kaam would be nice. Like you said, school ka kaam, nursery school ka kaam would be nice. Lunch school helper hote hain, that will be nice, right? So let's think about all those things. So socho, next time mujhe batana ki what you're thinking you want to do, okay? Skills में क्या आता है? Skills में जैसे Tripti आपने बोला you've worked on Excel. बाकियों का भी प्रोफेशनल, अगर आपने कहीं काम ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है, सो वो तो मत डालना वहाँ, बट अगर कोई टूल ऐसा यूज किया है, रिमेंबर हम लास्ट टाइम बात कर रहे थे दैट सम पीपल हैव वर्कड ऑन पावरपॉइंट, सम पीपल हैव वर्कड ऑन एक्सेल, सम पीपल would know SQL, right? It's just an example. So think about what you've done technically or what are your skills. ठीक है, सोचो आपने मोबाइल पे काम किया है या वेबसाइट पे काम किया है, कोई भी चीज हो सकती है. I have given examples here what I have worked on, so those are my skills. Projects, this is where I would highly recommend कि जो भी आपका previous job experience है, या आपके projects हैं as part of data entry course, you put it here. That shows that not just that you have done a diploma or a course or a degree, you have some experience, because that experience shows up, and then that's how you'll be able to add value. Okay? तो मैं इसका भी भेज दूंगी स्क्रीनशॉट. अपने बारे में इसके लिए सोचो. नेक्स्ट टाइम इफ यू कैन, आई एम नॉट पुटिंग एनी प्रेशर, अपनी अपनी सारे एक स्लाइड बना कर आओ ऐसी. डोंट वरी अगर उसमें 4 वर्ड्स हैं या 10 वर्ड्स हैं. मुझे सिर्फ एक आइडिया चाहिए कि व्हाट डू यू वांट, व्हाट डू यू हैव देयर. आई विल फर्दर वर्क ऑन इट. I will find a professional who can further enhance it. Right? You know what enhance means? उसको और अच्छा कैसे कर सकता है? Beautify it. ठीक है? तो मुझे एक एक दो दो लाइन दे दो हर सेक्शन के लिए नेक्स्ट टाइम. मैसेज पे भेजना है, मैसेज पे भेज दो. मैं ईमेल आईडी अपनी दे दूंगी अभी आज ही व्हाट्सएप पे.
सॉन्ग सुनो क्या मैम?
सॉन्ग सुनोगे? हाँ हाँ सुनाओ
No,
सॉन्ग.
no, 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 ma'am. He said कि आपका साउंड स्लो आ रहा है.
ओ साउंड स्लो. मैंने सोचा सो वो बोल रहा है सॉन्ग सुनोगे. अच्छा अभी आ रहा है. आज ना मैं ज्यादा शोर नहीं मचा रही, चिल्ला नहीं रही. पता है क्यों? क्योंकि माय डॉटर वाज टेलिंग मी लास्ट टाइम, मम्मा यू वर सो लाउड आई कुड नॉट स्लीप. उसको ना अगले दिन स्कूल जाना होता है एंड शी इज गोइंग इन पर्सन स्कूल, तो इसीलिए आई एम ट्राइंग टू बी लो. इज इट बेटर?
Yeah, ma'am,
हाँ?
it's better now.
It's better. चलो good. Okay. तो ठीक है, मैं ये screenshot भेजूंगी. Everybody either send me a screenshot or few lines. Tell your parents to send me this about yourself, skills and projects. Because what I want to do from there is I'll clean it up for everyone. I'll have it ready for everyone so that you can start using it as your resume. Second thing, that's what will go on your LinkedIn profile as well. I'll start connecting you with people, and you know जितने लोगों को जानेंगे उतना आसान होगा हमारे लिए जॉब ढूंढना और ये जान पाना कि किसको क्या पसंद है, कौन किस में सक्सेसफुल रहेगा. राइट? एंड इट्स ऑल लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट ट्राइंग. ठीक है, आपको मैं एग्जांपल देती हूँ. आई हैव बीन वर्किंग एट दिस कंपनी फॉर 6 years, बट नाउ आई एम विद इन द सेम कंपनी. आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज माई जॉब 3rd time. यू वांट टू नो व्हाई? क्यों चेंज कर रही हूँ मैं? क्योंकि मैं भी डिफरेंट चीजें ट्राई कर रही हूँ. क्योंकि मुझे भी पता नहीं था कि मेरे को फर्स्ट रोल पसंद आएगा या नहीं आएगा. शुड आई ट्राई फॉर द सेकंड वन? सो लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट ट्राइंग. ट्राई करते रहोगे, देन फाइनली यू वुड नो व्हाट यू लाइक. ठीक है? सो उसमें कोई प्रेशर वाली बात नहीं है. आराम से वी विल गो. वी डोंट वांट टू जंप, वी वांट टू टेक बेबी स्टेप्स एंड देन बी सक्सेसफुल. ठीक है? कोई क्वेश्चंस? एक बार आप सबका सुंदर सा लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल बन जाए, सुंदर सा रेज्यूमे बन जाए, राइट? दैट विल बी आवर बिगिनिंग एंड वी विल कंटिन्यू टू वर्क ऑन इंग्लिश and anything else outside English if you want me to help you with Excel, with PowerPoint, let me know. I've been using that for a very long time and I think I can teach you some tips and tricks. So just let me know, okay? Chalo. Yes or no? Yes? मुझे सबका yes नहीं दिख रहा. Good job, Saibal.
Very good. Saibal, Ashish, very good.
Good job, यार. I'm so proud of you all. आप लोग बहुत क्विक लर्नर हो भाई. आपने तो मुझे प्राउड फील करा दिया. As a teacher, you know the best thing that can happen is this.
Yeah.
अच्छा, we have a guest क्या?
No, ma'am.
Okay, ठीक है. मुझे लगा
Khushbu is also our student. Khushbu is also our student. And
अच्छा,
2 students are more, Himanshi and Aanchal, but they are on leave today.
Okay. Yeah, we'll I think we'll take it from here. When I'll send the screenshot, everybody would get that and they would know that what they need to work on.
Yeah.
So we story time करें. I think हमारे पास कितना time है?
Time 9:40. So we can we have 5 to 10 minutes. If you have to take 5 minutes more, you can put it.
ठीक है, चलो. I'll take 5 minutes more. So this is where we left last time. What had happened was 5 minutes का ना. Okay, Sally. Remember क्या हुआ था? अच्छा, I'll do
Tripti, आप एक बार म्यूट करेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि स्टोरी में लास्ट टाइम क्या हुआ था और फिर अब आगे क्या होगा.
Okay, मैंने ना म्यूट कर दिया. So let's do a quick recap of what we learned from the story last time. So what was happening was there were these 3 And you know what? If I forget about something, you guys have to remind me because you all heard the story. Acha. So there were three friends. They wanted to do something fun. It was getting dark. They didn't want to go outside. Sorry, they didn't want to go inside the house because, you know, they've been inside the house all winter. It was springtime. So day was good, but it was getting dark. So they didn't want to play football and some other sports because they couldn't locate things. So they decided, and before that, there were two siblings who were fighting with each other. So that's a material. But I want to jump to, since we have 4 minutes, I want to jump to that. What happened? They decided that they are going to play hide and seek. And now they decided to play hide and seek. This girl whose name is Sally. So two guys, I think James and Mark were the names. Yeah.
James and Mark.
Right, James and Mark. So James and Mark, they were looking for her. They couldn't find her because, of course, they were playing hide and seek. But she went inside a hole. So now the story happens that what happens now that she's inside that hole within the ground? Are they going to be able to find her? So that's what is we're gonna find out. Okay, we have 4 minutes. So let's see. Sally was wondering what had happened. All she could remember was crawling under the big trunk of a fallen tree to hide. Okay, that was her intention. She wanted to hide. Why? Because they were playing.
क्या खेल रहे थे वो लोग?
They were playing hide.
अनम्यूट करके बता सकते हैं?
मुझे साइबल ने बताया था, उसका हिंदी नाम बताया था. हाइड एंड सीक. Good job. Anirudh ने last time, Anirudh था या साइबल था जिसने he said last time छुपन छुपाई.
छुपन छुपाई.
छुपन छुपाई. I think that was Anirudh. Yeah. Perfect. Good job. So see what happens here then. Now, as she looked up, she saw several stars through a small hole above her head. She had fallen into a hole when she crawled under the tree trunk. Help, she yelled, and heard her voice echo throughout what must have been a cave. Ooh, looks like she's stuck in a cave. And she goes, help, 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 help. When do we call for help? Do you call for help at home? My daughter calls for help all the time. Mama. I'm like, okay, now she's calling for help again. So let's see what Sally does. Oopsies. James and Mark looks like they're here. Did you hear that, James? Mark said excitedly. Sally just yelled for help. Keep yelling, Sally, James screamed. That way we can find you. Sally heard her brother and kept screaming. After a short while, the brothers were standing next to the big trunk, or big tree trunk. Hey, are you stuck under this tree? Asked James. Kind of, Sally yelled. You know what yell is? Remember we talked about it? Chillana. Yeah! करते हैं ना हम लोग अभी frustrate गुस्सा होके, annoy होके. Remember? आज ही हमने ये word पढ़ा था. Annoy होके. Okay. So now, when I crawled under it to hide, I fell into a cave. Please help me. I'm scared. It's dark and I can't get out. So what is Sally doing? Is she asking for help? Yeah, looks like. Yes. Oh, good job. Good. Everybody's learning all the signs and, picking up the story. Nice. I like it. All right. So it's dark and I can't get out. Mark said, James, you stay with Sally and I'll go get my dad. Then he dashed off into darkness. Don't be scared, James said. I'm right here with you. No, you're not, Sally sobbed. So now Mark said that James is going to stay with Sally and Mark is going to call Daddy so that she can be helped. Now she's worried and she's sobbing, sobbing. रो रही है, वो दुखी है, right? Now you're up there and I'm down here. So that's what she's saying, that, it's okay, you're fine up there and I'm down here. So that's the reason she's complaining, because she's not happy, she's sobbing. As Sally turned in the darkness of the cave, she bumped into something, screamed and began to cry. Looks like it's so dark there that she's kind of scared, and she also bumped into something. She's hurt herself, or maybe she's wondering, what is that? What did I hurt? What did I hit? What's wrong? James yelled. There's something down here with me, Sally replied in a shaky voice. Just then, Mark and his dad came running through the woods. Up there, running, and they're coming to help Sally. Mark's father knelt down and asked Sally if she was okay. He could hear her crying and sobbing. Sally, are you hurt? He asked. No, she said, but I'm scared, and there's something down here with me. Why is she scared? मुझे लगता है 2 reasons हैं she's scared. पहला कि it's dark. Second, she thinks that there is something with her and she's getting scared because of that thing. That what is it? Okay, I'm going to quickly finish this page and then next time we'll continue from here. Okay, and I'll do a recap of what we're going to do next time. Okay, we were here, shaky voice. They came running. Mark's father knelt down and asked Sally if she was okay. He could hear her crying and sobbing. Sally, are you hurt? He asked. No, she said, but I'm scared and there's something down here. Stand back, Sally. I'm lowering a rope and we'll be down with you in a second. So he's going down to help. Now, we will read the rest of the story next time, but let's do a quick recap. So what did we do today? We learned those 5 words. Whenever you get time, go over the list. I'll send a screenshot. And second thing is think about what your strengths are, what you want to do. Because there are 3 sections. One is about yourself. Second one is the skills. And third one is the experience. Experience, what goes into that is also given as an examples. So think about yourself. Very high level, quick and dirty, 1 or 2 lines is also okay, because I'm going to find a professional who's going to actually help and work on you for that. I have a couple of folks who do this as their day-to-day job. Actually, there's one woman who report to me and she's really good in communication. So I'm going to ask for her help. So please, aaj se next week tak mujhe bhejo. And then what we want to do is by June end, we want to clean your LinkedIn. If you have one, we are going to clean it or make one and make your resume. 2 things we want to do in next 3 months. Okay. If no questions, I'll give you some time back. Get yourself a break because I know you guys have another one coming up.
आपको मैम का बात समझ में आया? किसी को मैम से कुछ पूछना है तो आप अभी पूछ सकते हैं, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट सेशन से पहले आपको अपना जो भी मैम ने लिंक्डइन से रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन मांगा है आपको देना है. यस,
मैं भेजती हूँ फोन स्क्रीनशॉट. हाँ, स्क्रीनशॉट के साथ I'll send my email address also in the same WhatsApp group. I'll do it right away. So pick it up from there. Okay. Cool. Thank you so much. It was wonderful having this class. I learned a lot. I don't know about you. And please keep helping me. Please keep being good students as you've always been.
Enjoy it.
Enjoy. Bye. Take care, everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Hi, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Ma'am, मैंने भेजा है.
क्या भेजा है?
Data entry.
वो तो आपने डेटा एंट्री का भेजा है.
ज्यादा नीचे जा रहा है.
वो आपने डेटा एंट्री का भेजा है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट सेशन से मैम के नेक्स्ट सेशन से पहले मैम ने जो आपका स्किल्स मांगा है आपको वो भी ड्रॉप करना. ठीक है. वो आप डायरेक्ट ग्रुप में करेंगे जिस ग्रुप में आप ऐड. ठीक है. सभी के लिए ये खुशबू, साइबल, अनिरुद्ध,
ईमेल एड्रेस
मैम ग्रुप में ड्रॉप कर देंगी आप ईमेल एड्रेस. आप उस ग्रुप में ऑलरेडी एडेड हैं. और तृप्ति, एक चीज और कि आप जो आज वाला सेशन आपका नहीं था. आज वाला सेशन आपका सेशन जो आपने लास्ट ट्यूसडे को लिया है उसको उस दिन होता है. ठीक है.
आज वाला इसके लिए नहीं था, जो पिछले में किया था वो.
ट्यूसडे जो सेशन होता है तृप्ति वो आपका, क्योंकि प्रॉपर ग्रुप डिवाइड किए गए हैं. ठीक है तृप्ति. अगर आप आ गए, आपने सुन लिया, अच्छी बात है, आप लर्न कर रहे हैं, कोई बात नहीं. बट आप उस ग्रुप के बच्चों उसमें इंक्लूड नहीं हो सकते क्योंकि वो अलग से बच्चे हैं और उन बच्चों को पिकअप किया जा रहा है 1 बाय 1. ठीक है. आप आ जाइए, आपको सुना है, इट्स ओके. आज कोई बात नहीं, क्योंकि हो जाता है कई बार. नो सर, सैटरडे नहीं है. सैटरडे वाला हम उसको ट्यूसडे शिफ्ट कर चुके हैं. ट्यूसडे वाले सेशन में तृप्ति का नाम ऑलरेडी मेंशन है. वहां तृप्ति को ज्वाइन करना ही पड़ेगा. क्या सर? आज ज्वाइन कर लिया है, कोई इशू नहीं है ऐसा।
तो मैं चेंज कर रही हूँ।
बट मैंने ये इसलिए बताया ताकि ये तृप्ति को नेक्स्ट टाइम से ये बात ध्यान रहे।
हाँ जो नाम है तो देखिए।
मैं आपको
ओके चलिए सेशन लीव करते हैं हम।
Okay,
बाय
ma'am.
एवरीवन।
ओके मैम।
ओके थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन।
उन्होंने कहा जो सैटरडे की क्लास है वो ट्यूसडे शिफ्ट हो गई।
बाय मैम।
ट्यूसडे के ग्रुप
बाय, क्लास ज्वाइन करना है अब
मेंशन्ड है
कबीर को।
तो वो इसका मेन